Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Marwa the graphic designer. In today's video I will tell you the best way to whiten your teeth in the Photoshop. So let's get started. And I have opened the Photoshop and I have already opened the picture that as sample that I have to use in my today's project. So let's go towards it. Now I will go to like this panel. Now I will go to hue saturation, and then it's very easy part. So we will change master to yellows. Now we will decrease the saturation, and we will increase the lightness. Okay, you can see it that it's a pretty good, and it's a quite good. Okay, and let's set it towards. Okay, now it's a pretty good. Now if you want very good refine about this refine in this picture, so you can. Okay, so let's see after and before of it. Yes, so it also decreased this type of yellowish from the skin. So let's do it good. Okay, now we will click on this thumbnail, and then we will click on Ctrl+I. Okay, and it turns white to black. Okay, now I will now we will fill the color fill this square with the white color and fill the square with the black color. Now we will go to the brushes, and now I have increased the brushed thickness, and there is no hardness in this brush. It is very soft brush. Now I have increased its size from 0 to 56 px. Now I will make brushing on it. It doesn't need very stronger attention. Okay, then it is done, and I have told you that I have told you that it is the best way to whiten your teeth in just 1 to 2 minutes in the Photoshop. So please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, like my video, share my video, and meet you soon in my another video. So Allah Hafiz.